government. So, and then also we know this, there is too much mines in the Dnipro channel. Too much channel. So channel is blocked by the mines. So we cannot move there. So about the last 3 months we stayed in this port. The mines start in front of the Nikolaev area, and from the Nikolaev area to Odessa area. There is large area. The Russian military forces help us too much, and they guaranteed, okay, you can leave this port, but this is the situation. There is too much mine in front of us. So